How we doing, guys? This is gonna be Noah at Russ Darrow Mazda. This is a 2024 CX-5 in the Carbon Edition. Now I'm just gonna show you this vehicle. So coming into the back here, we're gonna have a ton of cargo space. We're gonna have a 40-40-20 split on the seats. They do fold down flat conveniently with the levers here, here, and here. Coming underneath here, we're gonna have a full-size spare tire with a 10-speaker Bose system, the subwoofer for that system being right here. We have a power lift gate as well as a backup camera. The backup camera is going to come equipped with the rear cross traffic alert. So when reversing your Mazda, vehicles coming from the right or coming from the left, the computer is going to notify you with an audio alert inside the cabin. All of our Mazdas do come with the proactive all-wheel drive. What that is going to be is the computer making 211 calculations every second while driving to test the conditions of the road. It's going to be performing a pull and a drag on the front and rear tires, which is going to predict slippage before slippage occurs. And it's going to activate that all-wheel drive seconds before that slippage. The Carbon Edition does come with our 19-inch black rims, which look fantastic. And coming into the vehicle here, we're going to have a 5-passenger, 5-seatbelt vehicle. Your armrest is going to have 2 cup holders, a phone holder, tons of storage space, and 2 USB ports so your passengers can stay charged up. We're going to have 2 vents as well so your passengers can stay cold or so they can stay hot in this very cold winter we're having. Coming up to the front, we're going to have 8-way powered seats with lumbar support, 2 memory settings as well. This vehicle is going to have all of the safety features. So we're going to get things like blind spot monitoring, lane departure assist. You're going to have smart brake support. You got radar cruise control. The radar cruise control, what that's going to be is you're going to set your speed, and after you set your speed, you're going to set your distance. The distance is going to be represented by blocks, and each block is going to be a car length. Once you set your distance, if a car moves in front of you or slows down in front of you, your Mazda is going to slow down to match that speed until they move out of your way or until they speed up, then your vehicle is going to continue back to that set speed. In the front here, we're going to have heated seats, dual climate vents. We're going to get rain sensing wipers. You have daytime running LEDs, nighttime LEDs. This vehicle is going to have a powered moonroof as well. The vehicle is going to also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so you just plug your phone right in, and whatever you see in your phone, it's going to mirror right onto this screen right here. Another one of my favorite features is the auto hold button. It's going to be a button right here. It's great if you're coming at a railroad crossing or a drive-through. You just click that button. It's going to let you release your foot off the brake and keep you stationary until it's time to go again. Then you just click that gas pedal. You are going to get 3 years free mobile start with your Mazda, so you can start your vehicle from anywhere just using your phone. It's great if you live in a state like Wisconsin. Besides that, this is the Mazda 2024 CX-5 Carbon Edition. It's a great vehicle, and I hope to see you here soon.